Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we have to do the summative assessment 2 revision, isn't it, children? So, today I have sent you the model paper also. Yes. So, let's solve some of the bits from the model paper so that you can recollect all the concepts what you have done in the blocks of block 11 to 16, and so that you can attempt the question paper easily. Okay, so let's start with the first bit. First bit is multiplication using column method. Okay, so in this you have 2 digit into 2 digit. So this is a column method. So you'll write the numbers in columns like this, and you will do the multiplication symbol. You will place the multiplication symbol because you are doing the multiplication, isn't it, children? So always start from your right side. Yes. So 4 into 5. 4 fives are 20, isn't it? So 0 you will write it down and 2 you will carry. Now tens place with the same digit you have to do the tens place, that is 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2 26. So you will write 26. Okay, and when we are doing with the second digit we have to put the into symbol in the first place, and you have to cross it off. Why we are crossing it off? So that when we do with the multiplication of the second digit, then it will not be a confusion for you. Okay, if you strike it off, it will be easy for you that you have done with that calculation. Okay, now again 4 into 5 becomes 20, where you have to write 0 down and 2 you need to carry. Okay, next 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24 plus 2 26. So you will write 26. Now we have done with the multiplication. Now you need to do the addition. Okay, so 0 6 plus 0 will be 6, 2 plus 6 will be 8, and 2. So you don't have any number up or below the 2, isn't it, children? It is no number above it nor below it. So you will copy down the 2 as it is. That means when 65 is multiplied with 44, then the answer is 2860. Okay, so finally what you will write, therefore 65 into 44 is equal to 2860. Okay, so this is 2 digit into 2 digit. You also have 3 digit into 2 digit. Yes, the same thing, only thing, the first number you will be having hundreds place also, but you will continue multiplying as we have done here. Okay, once you go through your classworks or previous videos, then you will understand. Okay, now 3 digit into 3 digit also you have, isn't it, children? So let's solve that sum. So 328 into 805. So you'll be writing these numbers in columns, that is 328, 805. Now you will be placing the multiplication symbol. Okay, now always start from the ones place, isn't it, children? So 5 into 8. 5 eights are 40. So 0 you will write down and 4 you will carry. Okay, next 5 twos are tens place. 5 twos are 5 into 2 you have, that means 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 4 you have, so 10 plus 4 becomes 14, where you will write 4 below and 1 you will carry. Okay, now hundreds place, ones place we have finished with, tens place also we finished. Now hundreds place. 5 into 3. 5 threes are 15 plus 1 16. You have a carry, isn't it? So 16. Okay, now so in the second number, we have finished multiplying with the ones place. Now you have to do with the tens place. So before that, what you have to do, we have to cancel all the carries and you have to place an into also, isn't it, children? Now you in tens place of the second number, you have 0. That is 0 into 8 becomes 0. 0 into 2 becomes 0. 0 into 3 becomes 0. Okay, if you have any other number, 2 or 5 or 8, then you will again multiply with the all the digits of the first number with the tens place value, tens place number of the second number. Okay, now We have finished with 5, which is in ones place. We have finished with 0, which is in tens place. Now the third digit, you have 8. So when you are multiplying with the third digit, you have to place 2 intos like this. Okay, and now you need to multiply. So 8 in hundreds place in the second number, and ones place you have 8 in first number. Okay, so 8 into 8, 8 eights are 64, isn't it? So 4 you will write it down and 6 you will carry. Okay, now next digit, 8 into 2, 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 2 becomes 22, isn't it? So 2 you will write it down and 2 you will carry. Okay, now finally last, 8 into 3, 8 threes are 24, 24 plus 2, 26. So you will write 26. Now we have completed with all the digits multiplication, isn't it, children? Now you need to do the addition. So you will place plus symbol. Okay, and so if you start from your ones place from your right hand side, so you have 0 plus into that becomes 0. 4 plus 0 plus into 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus into means 4 only. Okay, now 6 plus 0 becomes 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 10, 1 you have to carry and 0 you need to write it down. Now 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 plus 0 becomes 2, 2 plus 2 becomes 4. So you will write 4. Now, next you have 6. You don't have any other digits up, isn't it, children? Above it. So you will simply write 6. And then again 2. 2 also you don't have any other digits or any carry. So you will copy it down. Same. So the answer will be 2,64,040. Okay. So finally what you will write? Therefore, 328 into 805 is equal to 2,64,040. Okay, that you have to write. With that, the sum will be finished. You will be closing the multiplication. Okay, children, I hope you have understood the multiplication sums. Now, let's go to the next bit, second bit, which is dividing with one digit. Okay, so the sum will be given in this way: 26 divided by 3. Okay, now 3 is the one digit number and 26 we are dividing with 3. So 3 becomes the divisor and 26 becomes your dividend. And you have to mm, place the arc and the sleeping line like this. Then you have to place the divisor, which is 3 here, and 26 you will be writing here. Okay, first, for divisions, children, you have to start the sums from your left side. Okay, so 26. So in tens place you have 2. 2 is less than the divisor, isn't it? 3 is more, 2 is less. 2 is less than 3, which is divisor. Then you will take the next digit, will combine, and 2 6 becomes 26. Now this 26 you will check with the 3 table, whether you have in 3 table in the divisors table. Okay, here divisor is 3, so you will check with 3 table. So 3 8s are 24, you have 3 9s are 27, which is more. Okay, so 3 8s are 24, so 8 times, isn't it? So 8 you will write it up and down you will be writing 24. And division is nothing but repeated subtraction, isn't it? So here in division you will be subtracting. In multiplication we were adding, isn't it? Now in division we will be subtracting. So place the symbol minus, and 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 will give us 2, and 2 minus 2 will give us 0. So with this, no other digits in the dividend, only 2 digits, isn't it, children? So in that way you need to divide. So 8 becomes your quotient and 2 becomes your remainder. Okay, now in this sum, 3 is your divisor, 26 is your dividend, 8 is your quotient, and 2 is your remainder. Okay, children. So finally what you will write? Therefore quotient is equal to 8 and remainder is equal to 2. Okay, so in this way you need to solve the sums, children. Okay, and you have two digits divided by one digit, which we have done already. Now three digits divided by one digit. So 270 divided by 3. So 273 digits. 3 is one digit. So 270 is your dividend and 3 is your divisor. So you will place accordingly divisor and dividend. Now again, the first digit from your left side. In hundreds place you have 2. 2 is less than 3. So you will take the next digit 7, which becomes 27. So 3 table, do we have 27? You have to check. Yes, we do have, isn't it? So 3 nines are 27. So 7 minus 7 will give us 0. 2 minus 2 also will give us 0. 27 minus 27 will give us 0. Now you have a digit in your dividend. 27 is finished. At the end you have 0 also. So that 0 you have to bring it down. So in any table 0 comes when it is 0 times, isn't it? So 3 zeros are 0 and 0 minus 0 will give us 0, isn't it? So here subtraction symbol have came down, children. You have to place it beside the 0. Okay, so here the dividend, the divisor is 3, dividend is 270, quotient is 90, and 0 is your remainder. Okay, so in for some sums the remainder will be 0, and for some sums it might be any other number other than 0. It might be 1, 2, 3, any number, 20, 30, 35, 38, 49, any number it might be. So remainder can be any number. Okay, it is not compulsory that it should be 0. Okay, children, so here what you can write, therefore quotient is equal to 90, remainder is equal to 0. In that way you need to write. Okay, this is about dividing with one digit. Okay, let's see the next one, which is dividing with the multiples of 10. Okay, so first step what you have to do is, in the dividend and the divisor, do we have any zeros in ones place? We have to check. If they are, you can directly cancel the zeros like this. Okay, next, now you have 6 in your divisor, 39 in your dividend. Okay, so 39 becomes your dividend and 6 becomes your divisor. Okay, children, so in that way you need to divide. So 6 and 39, because 0 and 0 we have cancelled already. In both numerator, dividend and dividend divisor, we have zeros in ones place, so we can easily cancel the zeros like that. Okay, now, so in dividend the first digit from your left side is 3, isn't it? So 3 is less than 6, so you will take two digits, which becomes 39. So 39 do we have in 6 table? No, right? So 6 6 are 36 you have, and 6 7s are 42 you have. So 6 6 are 36 is the smallest and nearest number to the 39. So you will take 6 6 are 36. Now you need to do the subtraction. So 9 minus 6 becomes 3, and 3 minus 3 becomes 0. Okay, so here the divisor is 6, dividend is 39, quotient is 6, remainder is 3. Okay, so in this way you need to divide the numbers if they are multiples of 10. So if you don't have 0 in the dividend, then you will, what you will do, you will take the two digit, that means dividing the number with two digit number you will get. Okay, if both have zeros, then it becomes again one digit number. Okay, otherwise it becomes two digit number. You have to write the table and you can check with the numbers in the division and write the do the calculation. Let's see how, which is our next bit, dividing with two digit number. So here some people might know 17 table, some people may not know, and it is not compulsory that it will be below the 20 tables. It might be any number, 35, 49. For that also we can do the multiplication in your working column, in your rough column, and you can divide the number. And in the exam, children, use your white side of your page for your working column. Okay, so here 947 divided by 17 you have. Yes, so 947 is your dividend and 17 is your divisor. So let's write that. 17 divisor 947. Now those who don't know 17 table, in this way you can write it down in your working column. Okay, 17 ones are 17, we all know. So when it is goes one time, the same number repeats, isn't it, children? So leave that. Now 17 into 2. So first this 2 should be multiplied with 7. So 2 sevens are 14 you will get, isn't it? So 4 you will write it down, and 1 you will carry to the 1. Next you have to multiply this 2 with the next digit, which is 1. 2 ones are 2 and you have a carry there. Okay, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So 34. That means 17 into 2 is 34. Okay, now here if you see in the dividend, children, 9 is the first digit in your hundreds place. 9 becomes less than 2 digit number, which is 17, which is our divisor. So you have to take 2 digits, which becomes 94. Now we have to check whether we have 94 in your 17 table or not. If it is there, you can directly write how many times it goes, and you will can subtract, and you can write it as 94 minus 94 will be equal to 0. If it is not there, then you have to take the number which is in 17 table, which is less than 94 and which is very nearer to 94. Okay, so let's start. So 17 twos are 34 you got. 17 twos are 34 you already got. Now let's do with 17 threes are. So 3 into 7, 3 sevens are 21 you will get. So 21, 2 you will carry, 1 you will write it down. Then next 3 into 1 you have to do. 3 ones are 3, 4, 5. So 51. Yes, is this is less than 94, but whether it is nearer to 94 or not also we have to check, right? So again you do with 17 into 4. So first you will do 4 into 7. 4 sevens are 28. So 8 you will write it down and 2 you will carry. Then you will do 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Carry you have 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 68. Yes, 68 is also less than 94. But let's see whether it is the nearest number or not. 17 into 5. First 5 into 7, which becomes 35. And 5 into, now next you have to do 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8. 85. But whether this 85 is less than, it is 80, less than 94, but whether it is nearest or not, how we will check? By checking with the next number, that is 17 into 5 we have done. So we have to do 17 into 6. If it is more than 94, then 85 becomes the smallest and the nearest number. Okay, let's see. 17 into 6. So first you will do 6 into 7. 6 sevens are 42. So 2 you will write it down and 4 you will carry. Next, 6 ones are 6. So 6 plus 4 becomes 10. So the answer became 102, 102, which is more than 94, isn't it, children? So what you have to do? 85 is the smallest number and nearest number. So in the quotient you will write 5 and down you will write 85. Now you have to do 94 minus 85, where you will get the answer as 9. Okay, now you have to bring down the 7, isn't it? So bring down the 7, 97. So again you have already written the table here in the working column, isn't it? Now check whether any number which is equal to 97. If it is not equal to 97, then check with the number which is smallest than 97 and which is nearer to 97. Okay, then it is again 5. 17 fives are 85. So 5 you will write it in the quotient and 85. Now you need to subtract 97 minus 85, where you will get the answer as 12. 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5 becomes 2 and 9 minus 8 becomes 1. So quotient is 12, quotient is 55 and remainder is 12. Okay, so in this way you need to divide with the two digit numbers. Okay, three digit number by two digit number divided by two digit number. Okay children, so and also along with the division, dividing with one digit or dividing with two digit, verification formula, verification uh, question. If the question, if they ask verify your answer, then you have to do verification formula, isn't it children, which is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Do you remember? So let's do that to this sum. So according to the question you have to do children, it is not that only for two digit number you have to do, you can do with the dividing with one digit number also. Look at the question, read it, understand it, and then do where it is required, where it is asked. Okay, so for this, so here you will write quotient and remainder and the formula verification. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Always do the multiplication first. After multiplying the divisor and remainder, divisor and quotient, then add the remainder. Okay, so here divisor is 55 and the quotient is, sorry, divisor is 17 and quotient is 55 and remainder you got 12. So 17 into 55 you have to do, use your working column, that is the plain side of the paper, and you can write it down. When you multiply it becomes 935 plus 12, if you add you will get the answer as 947, which is nothing but our dividend. Okay, so this is the verification method, what how you have to do for the given division. Okay, so these are the bits, and the next bit you have is operation with four digits, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, isn't it children? You have done, the sums were very easy, isn't it? So those sums also you might get. So addition of four digit numbers, subtraction of four digit numbers, multiplication of four digit numbers, and division with the four digit numbers. Four division, divide four digits divided by one digit, or four digits divided by two digit. Okay, so prepare well till fifth bit. Tomorrow we will learn the rest of the bits. Okay, so see you in the next class children. Bye.